Hello everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.info. Just wanted to introduce you to the new private chat server. I'm going to make it available for public consumption. You can get in there at quantlabs.info. It should take you to the public side. Just click on enter chat. It's guest mode. You have 4 chat rooms. This is where, if you were on Discord, this is where the information of all the news gets posted. Still being worked on with all the links and stuff once we can get past previously. And here's all the latest news, and it's this Ant Hedgewig that pushes this out as well. So that's an automated user that will have the link with the title. And let's see here, I think this works a little different from whatever browser you're on. So if you copy it, let me just click on one of these randomly. Nope. Try that one, copy it. I think this is Chrome I'm in. So it should take you to the story, depending upon the browser. Also, as a highlight, we have here general chat. So this is where all the latest stuff goes in for me. Again, this is being tested on, and different ways to get in. You can get directly into the chat here, and then click on general chat, and just click on previously. If you're scrolling down, just click on this little arrow, take you to the latest. And you can see here these buttons will take you to the video directly. Right now it does daily motion, which I kind of question. As well as there's other links it will take you to as well. And hopefully this will work. On other browsers you don't have to go through this. I think this is Chrome or Chromium doing this, so that's another section as well. And then you can directly contact other people that are listed here as well. One other thing I want to show you that matters, there's what we call a PWA version of the server. So a couple things to highlight here. If you go to this link here, quantlabs.info /public/app, what will happen is you'll get instructions depending upon what you're using. If it's a browser, if you want a desktop version, you can use this using only works on Windows and Linux. I don't think this will work on anything Apple, because Apple does not support PWA. And what happens is the only browser that works in that we've seen is either Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. So if you're on your phone, you can use that Google Chrome on your phone or tablet, and then load this in to have it directly load in as a browser tab for direct access to the server. And the same thing with a desktop. So in my case, in here, if you go into mobile or whatever, you will get an install button. And in there, when you click that, what will happen is, let's say if you're on Linux, it will load up a PWA, a portable. So in this case, I have something called Our Chat, and this is like a separate application that runs on the OS, like Windows or Linux, as a separate program. Okay, so it's not within a browser. So that's the kind of cool stuff you can do, and have this if you are like me, having, I don't know, 2 monitors. You can have this in the background or on the side, waiting for updates. Because what will happen is, as updates come in, there will be a little drum sound that will say that there's a posting, and that's either me or somebody else logging in. So this is the private chat server. There is no logging, there's no tracking, it's totally anonymous. There are really no rules, but I am carefully watching this for people spamming or just posting really nonsense that shouldn't be posted anywhere else, no different than here. But just wanted to let you know that this is available, and if it gets out of hand, I'll have to add in the registration, so people will be forced to register, and it'll block out the guest mode. So I'm just trying it out for a day or two, and you may, at some point, if you come back, you may have to register with an email. All right, so just to let you know, and that's registered with an email and password for your ID and credentials. Other than that, this should work quite nice. Talk to you later.